Okay, this morning we're going to learn about how to create a chart in our spreadsheet program. The first thing you'll need to do is open up the spreadsheet program, which is Microsoft Excel. You can do that by clicking this twice or going to the Start button, All Programs, Microsoft Office, and then the green X, which is Microsoft Excel. Once it opens, our job today is to open up an existing file that we have created before called hamster data. You open a file by going File, Open, going into your digital documents folder, your digital backpack, clicking there, and then locating the file that you're looking for. I have a lot more in there probably because I have created more. So choose hamster data, hit Open. Obviously I've done this before. What we're going to do is create charts. Now you should have already done an activity to get you started, but just to review, you start by clicking on the header that you want to graph and then select all the data that you want to chart. So you want to chart first the name and the length. Go to Insert because we are going to insert a chart into our spreadsheet. Choose Column and we'll choose 3D Column. There it is. To make this smaller so that it can fit on the page, you go to the corner and line it right there. See how it looks like two arrows? That means you can now make it smaller and then drag it up so that it fits. So there is that one. After you have done the first one, you're going to make another chart that tells you the weight of the hamsters. You do that by clicking at the heading and then going down to the bottom. And then to select the other row, you do not want to select this one because we already done it. So you have to press the Control key to tell the computer skip this, but select both of these. So I'm going to press that Control key, hold it down, start with my heading, and then click and drag all the way down to the bottom. So now the computer recognizes that everything that is blue is going to be in our next chart. Go back up to Insert, go to Column, and we'll choose Cylinder just this time so that you see that it's different. Okay, something didn't look right there. Let's try that again. Hit the undo. Alright, so start at the top, drag all the way down, hold your Control key and click the other ones that you want to select. Then tell it Insert, Column, we're going to do Cylinder, and now that looks right. I'm not sure what I did different, but it worked differently. So I'm going to make this a little smaller by finding the two arrows, dragging it, making it a little smaller, and then putting it on my page. Once you are done with that, you are to save it, File, Save, and it saves it over top of your existing document and adds the changes. If you do Save As, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want, and you'll hit Save. It's going to ask you, are you sure that you want to replace it? And it's only asking that because you are adding more information to the document that you had opened. So if you do File Save As, you will have to say yes, replace it. If you do File Save, you do not have to answer this question. So File Save is my suggestion. Alright, that is it.